Hi, my name is Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So if you come here, you'll see that I put in your URL and came down here to your H1 tag. So right now your H1 tag is Welcome to Ramm Supply. So basically, if you go to your website and see here, Welcome to Ramm Supply, that's your H1 tag. So really, it should be the first thing that Google sees to determine what your site's about. And really, this doesn't really tell Google what it's about. They don't really know what Ramm Supply is. So a better thing would be like Sonoma County Landscaping, Sonoma County Rock Landscape Supply, Santa Rosa, whatever your keyword is, that's what you really want here. And then the other item that goes hand in hand with this is the metadata. So the metadata is like if you were to do a Google search, I did one for Sonoma County Landscaping. Basically all these blue lines here, these are the metadata. You can see here that the top guy is talking about Sonoma County landscapers, and that's why they're in the top position. When you pull yours, you're really not found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County landscapers. Because let's look at your title page real quick here. Your title page right now is Welcome to Ramm Supply Landscape. So I bet you if you Googled that, you'd be 100%, you'd be at the top. You'd be #1 spot. But basically, nobody's going to Google that because nobody knows to Google Welcome to Ramm Supply when they're looking for landscaper or a rock supplier. They're going to Google a keyword like Sonoma County landscaper, Sonoma County landscaping supplies, Sonoma County contractors, or similar keyword. So those are just a couple things I wanted to help you see. These are just small little changes that will really help you rank. And then also if you ever want to check your Google ranking, a lot of businesses will like Google their company keyword, and then as the weeks go by, they keep checking Sonoma County landscaping, and slowly Google's going to start moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. I use Rank Tracker. So basically, you can get a free subscription for a month if you want, but basically it pulls up your keywords. It'll pull up your ranking, every single day. So basically, we put in your URL, and then we add some keywords, and you'll see actually put in your company name here just so you can see if somebody Googled that, you'd be ranking #1. But again, nobody's going to Google that. They're going to Google other keywords. And here you're ranking really on the bottom of page 2, bottom of page 5, 7, 100. So basically you're not going to be found because you need to be on the top, the first page of Google. But anyways, once you change the keywords, once you change your H1 and metadata to whatever your main keyword is, like your rank will change super fast. So if you're interested and you'd like me to help you, fix your website a little bit, I would be happy to. And that would definitely increase your income because 90% of traffic is on the first page of Google. Most people really just don't check past page 1. Actually, 80% only check the first 3 listings. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email. Let's get you onto the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time, and I wish you much success.